little fast before the tutorial starts. I only have 3 more yo-yos left in America if you want really fast shipping. The rest are over in Europe, and that might take a while if you're an American, but great for Europeans. Alright, anyways, on to the tutorial.
I know it would be goodbye, my love. When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole my soul?
So my next tutorial is already out now on Ko-Fi. There you can access my tutorials a week early and also get your name featured as being a supporter at the end of my videos and commission trick requests. I also take 100% of the tips there goes into getting daycare for my toddler, so that way I spend more time making more videos.